What's up, guys? I'm Alexa Score. We're here on my home lake, Lake Minnetonka. I get to take a ton of people out on the water, which is always cool, but today is extra special. I was diagnosed with leukemia when I was 16, so I was a pediatric cancer survivor. So to be able to take someone else who's been through the same experience, Bridget, and us to kind of bond over that, and then for me to be able to show her what I love to do is really, really cool. And that's what Surf to Save Lives is all about. That's why MasterCraft partnered with St. Jude in the first place, two Tennessee-based companies who are in the business of making more memories. So that's what this is all about, and hopefully we can create some memories today out there with Bridget and I. Hopefully she learned something, hopefully I learned something, and we just come away with a ton of memories from today. Her mom's coming out as well, so hopefully this is just a really memorable experience and they have some fun on the water.
When you're a patient at St. Jude, I think sometimes just knowing that you always have a hand on your back, that you have supporters always being there to really make the mission possible, but then to be able to have a day like today and just feel part of a group of people, of a community that you know are going to be there for kids like Bridget or all the patients that are back there, you know, fighting for their lives.
What I was looking forward to today was teaching Alexa how to play volleyball, and I think it went so well. She did so much better than she started out as, and it was so much fun.
Talking with Alexa today about what she's been through and the challenges that she's had of being a cancer survivor, and you know, it really just seems so organic to have those conversations with her and talk about what she's been through and what Bridget's been through. Has just been so meaningful to me, and I know to Bridget as well.
This day would not have been possible without St. Jude and without MasterCraft bringing us together. So thank you guys so much for letting us have an awesome day.